I shouldn't have come today. Alright, so we wanted to do an introduction on cars for quite a while now. So here it finally is. This is my E36 Club Sport car. It's not a full race car. I mean, I've got the GTR, which I already never drive, and it's always a work in progress. So I wanted to have a simple seat time car. You know, something you can just get in on the weekends, have some fun with, and not to be too much of a hassle to drive, you know, because race cars, they require so much maintenance, so much planning, stuff's always breaking. So I just wanted to have a simple, relatively simple track car, and this is it. It's an E36, it was a 316, which I engine swapped to a S54. It's an awesome engine, but it's not too crazy, just a reliable seat time car, you know.
Got it!
Ik weet niet van wie het filter is.
Maar ik ben wel gewoon nieuwsgierig, snap je?
Hoezo pakt er ook niet slijptol?
Dan heb je nog meer slijpsel erin zitten. Ik bedoel, dan komt de slijpsel in.
Huh?
Niks.
Dat is even wel.
Wat, er valt niks in, dit is gewoon viezigheid.
Ja.
Nee.
Ja, echt zo'n laagste viesheid.
A few moments later.
I filmed you changing the oil and now we're getting an engine hoist.
For some reason, and the manual didn't include this, but for some reason it requires us to pick up an engine hoist. So I'm not sure where in the oil change manual this fits in, but yeah, we're just gonna go and pick up a hoist.
Bent u?
Oil change.
Oil change?
Ja.
Zijn we er bijna?
Yeah, it seems the oil filter is somewhere behind here, I've been told. But I'm no mechanic, so don't take my word for granted, but the oil filter and the oil that we're trying to change should be right between or behind here.
Oh, that's why you need to take it off, so you can put the oil in.
Yeah, so we're gonna take it off, put the new oil in, put it back on. Subliminal.
Maat, de metallic vloeit gewoon weg. Maat, kijk ook die glinstering in die olie. En je voelt ook de...
De smering, ja, dat is 10W60, dat is Castle Edge.
Nee. Nee, het is gebrek aan smering inderdaad.
Echte monteur, wat is het oordeel?
Kapot.
We've almost found the oil filter. We've already found the oil, so that's good.
Nou, de filter.
And we've found some of the bearings too in here, so that's good as well. They come out liquid, and you put them in solid and they come out liquid.
Ja.
Wat gaan we doen?
Yo.
Hoe wil je de auto's neerzetten voor het filmen van de intro?
Ja, zo.
Hij wil niet, hè?
Nee, dat merk ik zelf ook wel. Geef mij eens een kleine schroevendraaier.
Nee, dat mag niet, Jesse.
Echt jongen, echt een vieze. Geef die schroevendraaier.
Oh, dit wordt veel editen, hè.
Nee, leg hem anders in de olie.
Doe hem anders via de gasklep naar binnen, maat.
Hoezo, kapot is hij toch alleen de motor. Dus
Nee, helemaal niet.
Vooralsnog is dit alleen een oliewissel.
stil. Kun je gelijk mijn auto bouwen? Maat, als het kan. Zelfs de rode...
Juist prijs?
Zelfs de overspray van...
Maar dit is gewoon... Jess, die bak heb je toch niet meer nodig?
Niet zo. Dat is echt te vroeg voor.
Dat ik dit beeld vandaag nog mee mag maken. Daar had ik echt die verwachting van op de bed kwam.
Ik denk Jesse ook.
From 380 horsepower, or 50, I don't know.
Clickbait.
350.
350 to
350.
1.
So, we didn't manage to find the oil filter. I thought it would be here somewhere, but I have no idea. Yeah, I'm no mechanic, so don't ask me. There's one thing I learned. If you look at the oil, it's bad. If you look at your bearings, they're bad.
Don't look at them.
So don't look at them. It's like Schroeder's cat. It's like Schroeder's bearings. Don't look at them. If you look at them, they're bad. So do yourself a favor. Do not look at the bearings. Just let them roll. Just wait till
You're pointing to this, but it's here.
I know. All right, let's take a look.
Yeah? Gonna tear it down?
Tear it down.
Oh. De emmer.
Ja, nee, die zwijden met elkaar.
Ja.
Gaan we de emmer pakken of gaan we...
Ja, ik heb de camera vast. Mark staat hier met zijn pik in zijn handen. Ja, gek hè, een soort.
Kijk, en als je gewoon in Pakistan bent, hè, dan kan je zo je handen wassen.
Maar het heeft zo geen zin meer ook. Het is gewoon...
Ja, dit zit er een emmer onder.
Wanneer het nog 3 druppels zijn.
En dan weer terug in de koelkast.
Ja.
Ja, nee, ik ben blij dat dat niet op de grond gevallen is.
Het komt ook even lekker uit. Oh, lekker. Jessie.
Arbo.
There was a bunch of fun stuff in the oil. A little gold sparkle, you know, just chef's kiss. We suspected it was the main bearing or the rod bearings. It's not the rod bearings. So the only thing it could be, I think, is the main bearings, which have never been replaced. So we're gonna unscrew those, see how bad things really are. And then we're gonna look at different specs of camshafts to see what's going in next.
Ook niet.
Die zien er fresh uit.
Ja, die zien er gewoon nieuw uit. Die hebben ze ook misschien wel vervangen.
Maar. Niks maar. I shouldn't have come today. I should have just left things the way they were.
So it's done for today.
Today. Today is already
Done.
We're about to head back for the Mac breakfast. We're absolutely clueless. Absolutely clueless. Because it's not the bearings are fine. The main bearings and the rod bearings are both pretty good. Like, they're not new, but there's honestly nothing wrong with them. I'm not sure if you can see it. There's a little bit of scoring on there, but there's nothing that would give so much crap in the oil like we had when we checked it. So there must be something else wrong. It's already getting pretty late, so we're gonna get some sleep, and then tomorrow we'll dive further into it, see what's wrong.
Take the head off. Nou, tot morgen, de ballen.
The next day.
Came in early this morning, cleaned up the swamp that was here. This is a tiny swamp. Yesterday was much worse. It's not the bearings look fine. The main bearings, rod bearings, they look fine. Honestly, no idea where it could be. So I'm gonna strip the engine, it's gonna go to the engine builder. We'll see, we'll go from there. We'll see what he has to say, because honestly, I don't have enough knowledge or experience to see what is wrong. There was a little thing with the timing chain that looked a bit off, but yeah, other than that.
Later that day.
I'm loading my E36 GTR.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's the next day. We're just gonna put the subframe back on, so we can drive the car again, or drive it. We can move it around, and then we can, you know, put it in the corner, and we'll see what happens then. All right, this is gonna be it for a while. I really did not expect it to go this way because the plan was to film an introduction to both of our cars, my E36 and Joe's E36. That didn't quite go according to plan, as happens quite frequently with us. So yeah, I brought the engine away to the engine builder. He's gonna see what's up. I already had a quick chat with him. He had a quick look. And by the looks of it, I bought a bad engine because I bought the engine last year. I didn't drive it all too much. I did do the bearings when I just got the engine. And when I got the engine, the bearings looked absolutely brand new. So I was like, oh, it's a pretty good engine. But the engine builder had taken a look himself and he said that the bearings were probably really, really bad before I bought the engine. So the seller probably put in new bearings just before he sold me the engine. But what do?
Shit happens. Better luck next time.
Better look next time.
Oliefilter overwonnen?
Bijna.